Discover Financial has actually been a partner of ours for 2 years. So joining me now is one of our board members, Michael Freeze, who's a senior manager at Discover, and his colleague, Tobi Ojo, who's a project strategist. So Michael, you were introduced to our program through one of our founding board members, Tanya. And why was it so important when you heard about us for you to get involved?
It was important for me to get involved simply because of the work that EZTaylor does. Supporting Black men that have been either impacted by gun violence, whether it was a family member that they lost or a family member that may have committed the crime, and then helping them kind of carve out a different path. Because what I've learned is if we have positive role models, positive peers that are involved with our youth, it reduces the likelihood of them actually participating in something that's disparaging in their life.
Michael, not only did you jump right in to help the foundation, but you also brought in your company. You brought in that corporate partnership. Tell me why that was important to you.
Well, I'm the co-chair of volunteerism within B.O.L.D, which stands for Black Organizational Leadership at Discover. And so part of our mission is to connect with community organizations, and yours just stood out. It was very important for us, one, to identify an opportunity for us to support young Black men, which isn't really done within Discover. So we not only wanted to involve our members within B.O.L.D, but we also wanted to highlight you and spotlight you to the entire Discover organization. And so in doing that, it actually led to our first opportunity where we conducted the resume writing for the scholars.
Now, Tobi, you were really a part of that one-on-one resume writing workshop that Discover sponsored. Tell me how our students stood out to you and what made our organization actually stand out to you as well.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to work with Jalen Holmes. It was a fantastic conversation with a fantastic individual. And what really stood out about Jalen and our interaction was just he was so prepared for the conversation and so passionate. And he knew exactly what he wanted out of not only our conversation, but out of his college experience and beyond. And the funny thing about it is that he actually had already secured an internship before we discussed his resume. So this was just him getting the additional practice that he needed to be successful, after his internship was over. And when I look at your foundation and the work that you're doing in the community and really breaking that cycle of violence, that really resonates with me. Throughout my conversation with Jalen, realized that we went to high school not too far from each other. And when I look at it's the financial assistance, which is important, but it's also really being able to empower and mentor these Black young males throughout their college experience, because it can be lonely, especially when you're the only one coming from Chicago, only one that looks like you in the classroom. But being able to get that support to make it through those 4 years, I think is what really makes that difference and really sets EZTaylor Foundation apart.